Welcome to the Online Banking Secondary Users course. The Preferences menu contains a Secondary Users option, which allows you to grant non-account owners individualized access to the online banking system. This screen is used to view, edit, or remove secondary users. Let's begin by adding a secondary user. To do this, click the Create New Secondary User option. Next, enter the secondary user's username and password, confirm the password, and then click the Continue button. If needed, the username can be changed from this screen. Select the secondary user rights that should apply to this user. Please note, these options may vary by financial institution. For instance, this user will be allowed to change his own password. And we will force this user to change his password upon his first login. This secondary user will be allowed to use messaging, but will not be allowed to use bill pay. You also have the option to allow this secondary user to set up external account access if needed. If you wish for your account-friendly names to display for this secondary user, select the next checkbox. If your financial institution allows remote deposit capture, use the Allow Remote Deposit Capture checkbox to indicate if the secondary user has access to submit deposits via remote deposit capture. The following fields will vary based on your financial institution's settings. Select the Positive Pay Enabled and/or Corporate Capture 21 Enabled checkbox to allow the secondary user single sign-on access to the Positive Pay or Corporate Capture 21 systems. Enter the user's ID if applicable. Use the iCore Customer Account Info Update options to indicate if the secondary user can update the contact information for the selected accounts. Grayed out boxes indicate your financial institution does not allow the information to be edited online. Next, select the appropriate account rights for each account that is listed. Please contact a representative from your financial institution if you need help determining what any of these options will allow the secondary user to do. Click the Save Changes link when you are finished setting up the new secondary user. The secondary user will then need to log in and complete the authentication process designated by your financial institution. If you need to edit or remove a secondary user, navigate to the Secondary User screen and then click the Edit link next to the appropriate user. Make any necessary changes and then click the Save Changes link. Notice that this screen also contains options to change the password and to generate a temporary verification code. If the secondary user is unable to receive a verification code from the system, you can click this option and provide the temporary verification code to the user. Please note that the temporary code expires 10 minutes after it is generated. Click the Delete Secondary User Contacts to reset the secondary user's multi-factor authentication contact method. The next time the secondary user logs in, they will be prompted to establish a new contact method. There is also an option on this screen to delete the secondary user. Deleted secondary users display at the bottom of the secondary users screen. If a user was deleted, the Edit link provides a way to restore the secondary user. Congratulations! You have completed this course.